Hi friends, how are you? Friends, today topic is regarding the noise, and I will discuss you some key points about the noise for your information in health and safety. That is, very important to be considered this topic on many occasions. So, noise. There are some effects of exposure to noise. There are two effects: physical effects and psychological effects. Number one, physical effects. It includes number one, temporary reduction in hearing. Number two, noise induced hearing loss. Number three, tinnitus. Secondly, psychological effects of noise. Number one, it includes number one, stress, difficulty in concentration, and increasing errors. Uh, Next one is terminology for noise measurements. Number one, frequency, sound pressure, intensity, decibel, dB, A weighting, C weighting. So these are the technologies, terminologies. Um Types of noise meter for measurement. Here are the names of meters for noise measurement. Number one, simple sound level meters. Number two, integrated sound level meters. Number three, dosimeters. Number four, peak pressure level meter. Next one is noise exposure limits. Number one, lower exposure action level, value is 80 dB. A peak sound pressure level 135 dB C for impulse noise. Uh, Upper exposure action value is 85 dBA. Peak sound pressure level is 137 dB C for impulse noise. Uh, some noise control measures now would be discussed with all of you. Number one, reduce the noise at source. It includes substituting the source, providing maintenance in equipment if used, damping, modifying the process, silencing. So equipment can be silenced to suppress the integrity of the noise. Next one is interrupt the pathway. It includes insulation, isolation, and absorption. Next one is engineering control. Example, putting guards, barriers, acoustic booths, extraction system, etc. etc. Personal protective equipment like ear muffs, ear plugs. These are the PPs which can be used to reduce the noise. There are some occupational occasions uh, where some occupations related risks which might be if there is noise due to excessive noise. There are some occupations like construction workers, uh, like concrete breakers. Number two, uniformed services like army personals. Number three, entertainment sector like nightclubs staff. Number four, manufacturing sector. And number five, call center staff. Guys, these were the important points about the noise which I discussed with all of you. These are the things which really are considered very important if there is high noise risks is being faced. So keep all these points in mind, and always take precautions if there is noise at your workplace.